In your honor, on the 9th year of my association with TAG, even if I wasn't associated, happy birthday to you. And we'll cut a cake after this in the shape of a TAG watch. But yeah, it's been really wonderful. I've always maintained this with TAG. It's never seemed like work to me. You know, when I started off with TAG, it was a childhood. I had a few names in my, you know, I used to read a lot of James Hadley Chase. I don't know if you guys,
yes,
you're too young.
Of course.
I say this in every launch of a new product or whenever we have a TAG Heuer meeting, that the first watch that I bought, you know, I come from a very lower middle class family, so I didn't have a watch left behind by my dad also. And so the first watch I remember in New York that I bought after scrounging a lot of money, they used to give us money for traveling, you know, $20, $30 per diems, yeah. So I collected that, and I remember going into a store and buying my first TAG Heuer watch. I still have it. And you know, TAG Heuer is not supposed to give any, you know, when you have these luxury brands, they don't give any, how do you say, you can't go and haggle with them. They keep a check on that. And you can't get the price down.
No discounts.
Yeah, no discounts at all. And I do remember the person who was selling the watch was an Indian. And he did give me a discount. So I'm not going to tell you where he is in New York, but so that's the first watch I bought, and it's been 9 years. They just passed off so smoothly. I've been introduced to things that I don't think I would have seen in my lifetime. You know, I think TAG Heuer always has some of the most elegant way of presenting not only the product, but I think the ambassadors. And, you know, jokes apart that it's easy work for me, I just genuinely feel that there are very few brands in the world who actually bring about an elegance to the people who model for them or become the ambassadors. I think TAG Heuer is one of them. So every time I shoot for them, I know I will look better than I've ever looked, in terms of not just physically, but, you know, just in terms of the class and elegance that they bring to it. And so was this one, the fourth one that we've done. It's every time we do pictures, sometimes they are taken from already the international ambassadors that you mentioned. They've already done some, or we've had even years when we were the first ones to do, and they had to follow suit. Like I told you, you know, there are times when people ask me that, you know, being a movie star or having worked for so many years, do you become someone who people should follow in terms of behavior and public appearance? I'm a complete disbeliever of that. I just believe you should be what you are. But there are brands, and I think the most important brand to me has been TAG Heuer, in the sense that whenever I wear it, or whenever I know my association with this more than 100-year-old brand, you know, I need to stand for the values they stand for. And yes, so I do find myself at times changing my behavior because of TAG Heuer, and trying to be a little more elegant and normal. And I think in the 9 or 10 years, that's one thing that I have really gained from my association with TAG Heuer. So, genuinely, I mean, I am much of a gainer in this association. It makes me feel very humble and very proud at the same time.